Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up personal notifications in UPBASE. This will help you stay on top of your tasks and deadlines. First off, open UPBASE on your device. This could be your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. It's important to start here because UPBASE is a cloud-based system and can be accessed from any device. Now find the Settings icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. The reason we do this is because Settings is the control room of any application. It's where we can customize our experience to our liking. Next up, look for Notifications. It should be in the list of options in Settings. Click on it. This is where we can control what alerts we receive and how we receive them. After clicking Notifications, you'll find a range of options. Here, look for Personal Notifications. Click on that. This will lead you to a new menu where you can customize your notifications. The reason we choose Personal Notifications is because it allows us to tailor the alerts we get based on our personal tasks and projects. Once you're in the Personal Notifications menu, you can choose how often you want to be notified, which tasks you want to be notified about, and how you want to receive these notifications. This helps us because it allows us to stay updated without being overwhelmed by constant notifications. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to hit Save. Without this crucial step, all your choices won't be applied, so make sure you save before exiting the menu. And that's it. You've successfully set up your personal notifications in UPBASE. This will help you stay on top of your work and never miss a deadline again. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.